Hello guys, today we are going to be solving this question 3 to the power 4 times 3 squared divided by 3 to the power 3. So this is a very simple question. So here we are basically going to be using the laws of indices. Those are very simple laws. So let's take the numerator first and simplify it. So 3 to the power 4 times 3 squared. Now to simplify this, we can use a law of indices which says a to the power n times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So that is what we have in that case. Their bases are the same and it is multiplication. So if the bases are the same, we are going to add their powers. So from there, 3 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2, we are going to have 3 to the power 4 plus 2. So now we have added their powers to 3 to the power 6. Okay, so now let me substitute it back into the original equation. So 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 3. Okay, so now this is another law of indices in which we are to do. So we are to use another law of indices, the division law. So it says a to the power, let's say p, divided by a to the power q. So it's going to be a to the power p minus q. So this works only if their bases are the same in every case. So in this case, their bases are the same, so we can do that. If their bases were not the same, then we will not be doing this step. So 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 3. Now if you use that law of indices, it's going to be 3 to the power 6 minus 3. Okay, now this will give us 3 to the power 3. Now what is 3 to the power 3? 3 to the power 3 is simply 27. So 27 is our final answer. I hope this step is very easy and clear. By just using the basic laws of indices, the multiplication and division laws, that is what we are using here. And this question is very easy and straight to the point. Thanks for watching this video.